Good morning! Today we're going to be trying some microwavable mug recipes.
Starting off with breakfast.
Off we go.
For breakfast, I'm going to have an omelette.
And I'm going to try and make an egg muffin.
Let's see how it goes. So, first tips first, get our mugs.
That's what you need for mug recipes.
For my omelette in a mug, you're going to need eggs, spinach, a bit of pepper, and some cheese. Okay, so I've got everything prepped now. Let's put it in the mug. First in goes the egg. Give it a little stir. Next goes in my spinach, which was frozen, and now I've tried to press out all of the moisture from it, because apparently that's necessary in a microwave. Got some pepper. I did one segment of the pepper, but I'm going to only put a bit in. And a tiny bit of cheese. Mix it all together. Put it in the microwave. I'm gonna go for a minute.
Sure.
Why not?
I'll keep an eye on it.
I'm just gonna give it a little stir in between the minute to make sure it's okay. I put the mug in the microwave for a minute and then it's come out, it's come out looking like that.
It's pretty colourful.
Yeah, pretty nice. I think if it didn't come straight from a microwave, I'd be alright with it. I'm a bit worried about how crunchy the peppers are gonna be. I'll give it a go. Look at that cheese pull. Honestly, that's pretty nice. Very easy, very quick. I mean, I don't think I'd do it over doing it in the frying pan because it's not that much effort to do it in a frying pan either.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't do a very good job at stirring, I think, because there's a lot of like egg white at the bottom and not scrambled. But yeah, pretty nice.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Yeah, an 8 out of 10, yeah.
So for my breakfast, I'm going to be having an egg muffin. I'm going to make the egg and cheese bit in a mug. I'm going to use this big one because it's about the same size as a muffin, so it should work quite well. So first I'm going to spray down the mug with some oil so that it doesn't stick. Should be enough. And then crack the egg in. Sprinkle a bit of cheese in. Add a bit of pepper. And a bit of salt. And give it a whisk. I think that should be enough. And then again I'm going to put it on for about a minute. So I've got my egg out the microwave. It's shrunk, so let it sit for a bit. Let's see if it comes out nicely and round. Ooh. That's pretty good.
You happy with that?
Yeah, now we can put our lid on. Nice buttered muffin.
Wow, that looks good.
Life hack.
It's gonna be so hot, Will.
Mmm.
Good?
I think it's quite a good way of doing a nice round egg muffin.
What would you rate it?
9 out of 10.
Wow. Overall, I think eggs are a pass in the microwave.
Yeah, pretty good going.
Our next recipe is a pizza.
Pizza in a mug. Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Indeed. So, first up, we need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Next is a pinch of salt. Oh, that was a lot. Next is a tiny little bit of baking soda.
At the spoon.
1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then 3 tablespoons of milk. And now that should mix together and make a dough, basically.
Yeah, got to make sure to get the flour out the corners.
Yeah.
Make sure it's all mixed in.
If it maybe is a bit too, oh no, that looks right.
That's how it's looking so far.
And then we're going to add a little bit of pizza sauce. It says 1 tablespoon again.
What now?
Yeah, everything's going in at once, Bubba. 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce or pasta sauce. And then just top it with cheese and toppings.
So we've got a couple bits of pepperoni. So this is what it looks like.
And then we're going to pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes and then check how it is, and then if we need to go for more, we'll go for more.
2 minutes? Okay.
Okay, it's been 2 minutes, our microwave's gone off. Is the pizza done?
Let's see. So that's what it looks like now. Everything's melted.
Doesn't really look very pizza-y. It looks more like pasta sauce, more like pasta in a mug.
Shall I take a spoon and see if it comes out resembling anything like a pizza? Okay. It's definitely like bread at the bottom. There's a piece.
Is the bread cooked?
Yeah, it kind of works.
I'd say it works enough. Like if you're really craving just like a...
It's kind of chewy.
Oh. You can kind of see there that that's like the bready dough bit that we made.
Yeah, it's kind of cooked. It's a little chewy.
Yeah, but I can't tell if that's just the pepperoni that's chewy.
If you're craving pizza, it's not too bad, to be honest.
Would you make it again?
I think I would.
Yeah?
I don't know when, but...
No, I don't know when I'm bothered enough to have a pizza.
Might be a good well-drunk snack.
Yeah. What would you rate it out of 10?
I think a 7.
7?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is nicer than my omelette, and I rated that an 8. So maybe I put the omelette too high.
Oh.
I think omelette's 7, this is an 8.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Pretty tasty. I think it's tasty because it's...
I mean, you can't go wrong.
It's cheese and tomato and pepperoni.
And
the bread surprisingly works okay.
I mean, it's not gourmet bread, but
No.
it's good enough.
Yeah.
What about dessert, William?
Well, let's get to that. Now we're going to try and make a cookie in a mug. See, what I'm looking for here is something a bit more crumbly. I've made cakes in a mug before, and they're just, they're spongy.
Yeah, they're a cake.
A cake in a mug, it can be done. But I wonder if do a proper, like, crumbly, chocolatey cookie in a mug.
Satisfy those cookie needs.
Yeah.
Okay, well what we've got to start with is 1 tablespoon of butter, and then we melt that in the mug, and then we put everything else in the mug.
Okay, let's see.
We'll whack that in until it's melted.
So just about 30 seconds to melt this.
Yeah, maybe less.
Okay, so the butter's all melted.
And then we're going to add 1 egg yolk. So we've separated our egg already. In it goes. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now we're going to mix that all together.
And now flour, I'm guessing?
Yeah, 3 tablespoons of flour. Whilst he's doing that, I'm going to open the chocolate chips. It doesn't really say how many you need, so I'm just going to go with as many as we want.
That's good. Let's make it really chocolatey. Yeah, it's thickened up now, so
Cool.
it's all mixed in.
Let's add our chocolate chips then. Is that enough?
I think so.
Once you've got it all mixed in, you're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. And hopefully you'll have a cookie. It kind of tastes like cookie dough batter.
All mixed in. Okay, it's been a minute and it's done.
It kind of looks a bit cakey.
Oh. I thought that could be the case.
I think it looks cooked.
Should we try it?
Feel how heavy and thick it is.
Oh, yeah, it feels a bit rubbery.
Yeah. Should we give it a go?
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
very chocolatey.
We've got a good chocolate ratio going on.
You can kind of see. Cheers, William.
It's very hot still.
It's not a cookie.
No.
Okay.
It is more crumbly than a cake, but it's not quite right.
Like, you can tell it's trying to be a cookie and not a sponge.
Yeah.
But it is still a cake. Just a very dense cake.
I don't know, I think the chocolate is the only really redeeming factor. The sponge doesn't taste that nice.
No.
In my opinion. And it's quite rubbery. Still going to eat it because it's chocolate, but...
What would you rate it out of 10?
Maybe a 6 for this one. Not as successful.
I'd go 5. 5.5. I probably will make it again at some point.
Okay.
Whilst you're making your pizza, I'll have a mug cookie. Overall, I think this video was quite successful.
Yeah, I mean it's still very nice. So I'm still eating it.
More-ish.
Yeah. But yeah, considering the other recipes and stuff that we've had, I think it's been very successful. Just cook every meal in the microwave.
Lots of egg-based meals. Well, if you liked that video and maybe learned something, let us know.
Smash like.
Yeah, subscribe.
Ring the bell.
We'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next one.